Fixing limiting beliefs from childhood. Dark truth is that many parents have the right heart but the wrong mind. So what happens? They love their kids to the moon and back, but they pass on their limiting beliefs to the next generation. Tough, because unlearning limiting beliefs is a journey. Still possible, though. You say it's still possible to shed my limiting beliefs? Absolutely. I have no clue where to start. Mind sharing how you did it? Sure thing. Pay attention, because this one will be life-changing. First of all, why change the beliefs in the first place? Well, your beliefs dictate your reality. Each belief that you have will pave the way for the future that you do want or don't want. A belief is formed from your upbringing, experiences, and level of introspection. Problem is that a lot of the beliefs that we have are serving as a ceiling for our lives. These beliefs are preventing us from leveling up. So try out this framework to get yourself back on track. 1. Acknowledge. 2. Replace. 3. Hammer. 1. Acknowledge. Can't solve the problem if you don't know what the problem is. Choose 1 to 3 limiting beliefs that you want to shed. I recommend starting off small, so you don't bite off more than you can chew. 2. Replace. You don't just magically stop thinking a thought. Ineffective. You replace a thought. You are weakening the old negative neural pathways and building empowering neural pathways. Mind giving an example? Sure. Negative, I am worthless. Empowering, I am worthy. Anytime you catch your mind drifting to the negative belief, make yourself aware and replace it with the empowering belief. I like to do affirmations and writing my new beliefs. 3. Hammer. So for this last step, you're hammering home the new beliefs. If you are someone who does not feel worthy, for this step, you need to find something to feel worthy about. So get out there and pick up a skill set or something. Live demo time. My limiting belief was that speech anxiety was permanent for me. So I, 1. Acknowledged it. 2. Replaced the belief with I am a powerful speaker affirmation. 3. Hammered home that belief by joining a Toastmasters and giving speeches. I can confidently say that my limiting belief has been shed for good. You have the power to do the same. Once you replace a limiting belief, you have officially leveled up and life feels much better. So, give this 3-step formula a try today and see how you can change your life for the best.